feature
Hello,
on
my
your
loves.
face?
Let's talk about the most powerful feature on your face. No, it's not just your eyes, it's your lips. Think about it for a second. A bold lip can literally change your entire vibe in seconds. It can take you from feeling just okay to feeling like a total queen ready to conquer the world. Your lips are the centerpiece of your expression. They are the source of your smile. They are the secret weapon in your beauty arsenal. They hold so much power, and today, I'm going to show you how to unlock all of it. We're not just applying lipstick. We're creating art. We're boosting confidence. We are about to have so much fun doing it. So grab your favorite lip products, find a mirror, get ready to experiment with me. Okay, our first hack is all about creating the perfect canvas. It involves something in your makeup bag. What is it? Concealer. We're not just using it to cover blemishes. Hack 1. The reverse lip liner. Instead of a dark liner, start with a light one. After you've applied your lipstick, grab a very fine, flat brush and a tiny bit of skin tone concealer. Carefully trace just outside your natural lip line. Instantly cleans up. Messy edges creates a super sharp defined border. Now a needle-free plumping hack. Hack 2. The peppermint oil. Plump. Forget pricey plumping glosses. Just 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. Before lipstick, take the tiniest drop on your fingertip. Gently, pat it all over your lips. You'll feel a slight refreshing tingle. Let's get into some serious sculpting. You know how we contour our cheekbones to give them definition? Well, we're going to do the same for our lips. Hack number 3. Lip contouring. This is where we play with light and shadow to create the illusion of a much fuller, more three-dimensional pout. After applying your lipstick, take a cream contour shade, something cool-toned and just a couple of shades darker than your skin. Using a tiny, fluffy brush, lightly dust a shadow right under the center of your bottom lip. This makes your lower lip look like it's casting a shadow, which makes it appear much fuller and poutier. Then, for the grand finale of this hack, take a shimmery powder highlighter. Pat a tiny amount right onto your Cupid's bow, which is the little dip in the center of your upper lip. Hack number 4, the ombre lip liner. Instead of using just 1 lip liner, we're going to use 2. Use a shade slightly darker than your lipstick for the outer corners and a shade slightly lighter for the center. Start by lining and filling in the outer corners of your lips with the darker pencil. Then, use the lighter pencil to line and fill in the center of your lips, leaving the very middle bare. Blend the 2 liners together where they meet for a seamless transition. This creates a beautiful gradient effect, or ombre, that draws all the attention to the center of your mouth. The darker corners add depth and dimension, making your lips appear more rounded. We're almost there, my loves. Now for some finishing touches that will lock in your look and take the glam to the next level. This next hack will make your lipstick last through anything. Hack number 5, the translucent powder seal. After you've applied your lipstick, take a single ply of tissue and gently lay it over your lips. Then, take a fluffy brush dipped in translucent setting powder and lightly tap it over the tissue. The tissue acts as a filter, allowing only the finest particles of powder to pass through and set your lipstick without making it look cakey or dulling the color. Hack number 6, the glossy center pop. Even if you love a matte lip, this trick will make you a believer in the power of gloss. Instead of applying it all over, just dab a small amount right in the very center of your bottom lip and a tiny bit on your Cupid's bow. This focused application of shine acts like a spotlight, drawing light to the fullest parts of your lips. The contrast between the matte or satin finish on the rest of your lip and the high shine pop in the center is what creates the magic. Hack number 7. Wear it with confidence. The ultimate secret to a perfect lip isn't a product or a technique. It's the attitude you wear with it. Makeup should be fun. It's your personal playground for self-expression. So go ahead, have fun, and don't be afraid to make a statement. Now go out there and glow, my loves. You've totally got this.